In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect MacBook Air to 4K monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an external display, even a 4K one, you will be able to easily connect it to a MacBook Air. It is going to be recognized as an external display, and you can display the same image across both displays. You can use them separately, you can position them however you prefer, and this will all be done natively. So all that you have to do is connect, of course, the MacBook Air to the external display. I'm going to teach you all of the ways in which you will be able to achieve this process. So primarily, you will be using an HDMI cable. All that you have to do is plug one end into the monitor and then the other one into the MacBook Air. Now, usually, most people will not have a native HDMI port available, so a lot of people choose to use a device like this. As you can see, it is a USB-C connector that gives you access to plenty of other ports, such as HDMI, which is the most popular choice for standard external displays. So all that you have to do is plug the USB-C end into the MacBook, and once it is plugged in, you will be able to plug the HDMI cable from the external monitor into this hub. So essentially, you will be connecting the monitor to the hub and then the hub to the MacBook Air. Immediately, it will recognize the external monitor as a display. And if you go over to the display settings, you will be able to position them. So you can drag and drop it however you prefer. So let's say, for example, you like having your MacBook Air at the left side of the display. You can just position it here. If you like having it at the right, you can position it here. You can place it up, down, and however you prefer. You can also choose the option to mirror displays like I mentioned. This allows you to have the exact same image across both of the displays, or you can use them separately, whatever you prefer. This is going to work for any standard external display, and you can have multiple displays connected. Your MacBook Air can support one external display with up to 6K resolution at 60 Hz or 4K resolution at 144 Hz. You can connect it using an HDMI cable, a Thunderbolt cable, USB cable, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect a MacBook Air to 4K monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.